What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Aimé Dore collaboration with New Balance on the 1300 in the Botanical Green colorway. Today's video was sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. They're an Australian-based jewelry and accessory company, and right now they're celebrating their 4th birthday with the biggest sale in their history. So through that link down below, my viewers only will be able to get 35% off your entire purchase, and in addition at checkout, you can choose your very own complimentary item. So these complimentary items are only available while stock lasts, and let me tell you guys, even for someone like me who doesn't normally wear accessories too often, I gotta say Rose Gold and Black's products are very versatile, very wearable and high quality, and it's a very quick and easy way just to add some added flavor to your look. So again, that's Rose Gold and Black. Be sure to check that link down below to access their special sale. So back to the shoes, this is the second of 2 shoes in the Aimé Dore collaboration with New Balance on the 1300 series. Not too long ago I reviewed the dusty pink colorway, but this one finally showed up at my door this week. So this pair also retailed for a price of $180 US or 240 Canadian, and the style code for this shoe is M1300AL. So first off, here's a quick look at the box, and you'll see that the colors on this box matches the colors of the shoes. Just like the pink pair, I like how Aimé Dore is giving us different colored boxes that correspond to the colorway of the shoe, and it's kind of cool to put them together. It really looks like one complete set. I do gotta say though that this box is made out of a very flimsy and very thin cardboard, so it's a shoe box I wouldn't really want to keep at the bottom of my pile. As for the shoes, so this is your classic 1300 model, and this one is a made in USA pair. As we start things off with the toe box, this is covered in this botanical green colored mesh, and it has a herringbone style pattern to it. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have this very hairy, very fuzzy green colored suede, and this suede feels very premium and very high quality. We have more of the suede covering the quarter panel of the shoe, and then overlaid on top we have this oversized New Balance N logo, which is done in white and silver in this reflective 3M material. Moving downwards, we have another hit of this green colored mesh, and then that green suede covers the back end of the shoe. And then at the very top, we have this white colored overlay, which is actually constructed out of 3M. And in the middle, we have New Balance branding embroidered in the center. For the laces, these only come with one pair of laces, and they're just your classic flat white lace. Underneath this, we have your nylon tongue, which is done in this off-white vintage looking color. And at the top, we have this tag with New Balance Classic 1300 and Aimé Dore branding. Taking a look at the insoles, these come with their standard foam padded insole, and on the heel we have Aimé Dore and New Balance co-branding stamped on in green. Surrounding the back end of the shoe, we have this off-white or cream colored TPU heel clip with this New Balance logo on the lateral side, and this helps give you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. So the upper of these 1300s sits atop this off-white vintage looking foam midsole. Encapsulated within the midsole, we have New Balance's end cap technology, which is basically a softer EVA foam in the middle, surrounded by a stiffer polyurethane rim, which gives you that good balance between softness and support. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is done in this very aggressive and rugged looking traction pattern. The entire outsole is constructed out of a black colored rubber, and we have New Balance branding running down the center. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these botanical green New Balance 1300s. For those wondering how this pair fits, overall I'd say that they do run a little bit more on the roomy side. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a half size down or a 9.5, and they fit me perfectly. To give you guys a point of comparison, I'm a 9.5 in other New Balance models like the 998, the 900 V5, the 991, and the 992. Whereas I stick true to size or a size 10 in other New Balance models like the 997, the 1500, or the 1530. Next up, in terms of comfort, so unfortunately, this is not the most comfortable shoe out there. This shoe has a really minimalistic retro feel to it, so there's not much from a technology standpoint, and to be honest, it feels pretty stiff on feet. This is probably not a shoe that I'd be wearing if I'm gonna be walking for many hours in a day. It feels pretty hard underfoot, but if I'm just running errands, I'm not gonna be walking for too long, this is gonna be a perfectly fine pair. Finally, in terms of the quality and craftsmanship on this pair, overall this was very impressive. I felt like the suede specifically felt very top-notch, very high quality. It has this very nice fuzzy feel to it, and this being a made in USA pair, I guess you can say it matched my expectations. So with all that being said now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. comparing this one to the dusty pink 1300, honestly both pairs are really nice. I love how both of them really gives off that retro aesthetic, but if I had to choose, I might give the nod to the dusty pink. It all comes down to personal preference though, there's no right or wrong, and I think the fact that the resale prices for both of the pairs are pretty much identical kind of speaks for itself. I think if you're the type of person that likes more of that retro looking flavor and you prefer more of that minimalistic feel, then you'll probably appreciate this model. But if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, something with a bit more cushioning and comfort, then you might want to stay away from the 1300. Let me know in the comment section down below, between this one and the dusty pink, which of the two do you guys prefer, and was this one a cop or a drop for you? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, another huge shout out to the sponsor for today's video, Rose Gold and Black, so be sure to check them out, links are down below. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, thank you for the continued support, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.